What's up, everybody? So I know it's been a few weeks since we posted any videos, but I think it's been worth the wait. We are up in Colorado now. Just a little bit of a change of pace from the 90-degree weather in Tampa right now. Now it's in the 30s. Welcome to Colorado. It's our first stop, babe.
I was born beneath the mountain, right on the valley floor.
So I really think this is going to be a long drive to get up. But we're going to have fun and go take some pictures out back.
Into the desert, 'cause I thought that she was the one, but I've never been more wrong. So
Alright, so we're taking a little break to go play in some snow. Have you ever seen snow before?
No.
Really?
You okay?
you know my goal.
We're so excited!
Let's make a snowman.
Dexter's covered with snow. Is it cold, buddy?
There's a snowman. He has a carrot.
He's got the carrot.
The pointy part up. Let's go for that one.
Oh no! Alright, so that was our first snowball fight. That was pretty awesome. Wow.
In autumn time, I took a chance by climbing the high.
Wind's died down a little bit, so we go.
I could find, and that's when I found you by the horizon. You are the ocean blue.
That is-
Like a river,
That is
I'll
amazing.
run to you.
Absolutely. 100%.
Now
Amazing.
home to rest my soul.
Wow.
You know
Well,
my
we're at the top of the mountain trying to get bundled up. Tight quarters, but we're here.
gone, and I'll be home.
What do you think, Hadley? Is it too cold for you? Yep. This is what you do on the top of a mountain. You hang out, have hot chocolate, donuts, and french fries.
Where the river meets the sea. We'll be home, and we'll grow old, and there'll be no more.
Well, it's official. We are now leaving Pikes National Forest.
Go.